friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm sharing some hacks on skincare products so that you can use them in different ways that you probably have not thought of yet. I just want to start this video by telling you how much I appreciate you, all of you guys, for supporting my videos, liking, following, subscribing, and on Instagram and Pinterest and my blog, and subscribing to my email list. The list goes on and on. I am so grateful for every single one of you for your support. I love what I do so much, and it just is a joy to be able to do what I love and make an income as well. So thank you guys. I just wanted to say that to start the video. This is going to be one of my last videos of the year, so I'm kind of just reflecting today, and I'm just so dang grateful. Second of all, I'm talking about Skin Resource MD today and kind of sharing some hacks. Another thank you to all of you who have purchased through my links, especially Skin Resource. It is just a brand that I will always stand behind. I love their products. They're simple, effective, gentle, and just a really good brand and a good one to start your skincare routines. Thank you for using my Skin Resource MD link and for watching my sponsored videos from them. I've used them, I think it's like going on 6 years now, so I love them, and it just makes me happy to know that you guys are trying them and love them as well. Okay, so all that being said, thank you to Skin Resource for sponsoring this video. Let's jump into the hacks. First is the Baobab Skin Correction Facial Cream. This is a facial moisturizer. I use it morning and night in the winter. It's amazing. It does everything for your skin: brightens, smooths, tones, clears, rejuvenates. It actually reverses sun damage. It's amazing. If you haven't tried this yet, it's buy one, get one free this month for the month of December, if you're watching this in the month that I'm posting it. But this is just the all-in-one amazing, the only moisturizer you'll ever need for your face. And I have found in the last couple of years there are some different ways that you can use this. So the first one is to also use it as a hand cream, and I always say this because your hands age too, actually faster, and really show your age more than your face in most cases. So use this on your hands too. You want all of the skin benefits for your hands and not just your face. Then the next one goes kind of along with that, but you can use it as a cuticle cream. You're moisturizing your face. Sometimes you want to reach for your towel and kind of get the excess off, but don't do that. It's a waste of product. Just rub it, massage it into your cuticles for an extra hydration there. The next thing you can use Baobab for is a foot cream, especially in the winter when we all need it like multiple times a day. I am just putting on lotion like morning, afternoon, and night. It seems like lately our air is so dry here. Next thing you can use your face moisturizer for is like a moisture mask. So put it on really thick, leave it on for like 15 minutes, and then remove it with a damp cloth, massage it in. Your face will be super smooth. Another way that you can use Baobab is after you have put it on and just have like that tiny bit like tacky feeling left on your hand still, you can smooth your flyaways down with it. Not too much obviously, but a little bit goes a long way in making your frizzies look smooth and laying down at least. Last hack I'll share with you guys today is you can use Baobab or any moisturizer in a pinch to shave with. If you are out of your shaving cream or whatever you usually use, you can just lather on a little bit of this to make a smooth surface for shaving. Next product is the Visibly Moist Toner. This is alcohol free, and it has rose and I think lavender. It smells really good, fresh. It's a really light mist. And it's such a good moisture boost for any time of the year. I love it in the summer because it's refreshing on your skin after the beach, and just adds in, like, replenishes your skin. The sun can kind of like dry you out. Next product that I will share different hacks and ways to use is the Visibly Moist Toner. This is alcohol free, so it's gentle. It's for all skin types. It has lavender and rose. It smells really good. So it's obviously a facial mist. You can spray it on your face any time of the day, any time of the year. It's really good after the beach or after you've been outside to kind of refresh and replenish your skin. Also really good for an added layer of moisture during the fall and winter when your skin is dry. But there are a couple more ways you can use it. You can spray it all over your body. I really like to layer my moisture in the winter, so I will spray this on, then put like a humectant, then a moisturizer, all of the things, but in combination it really works. They work well together. The next way is to use it as a makeup setting spray. So after you're done with your makeup, just spritz this all over your face, kind of wave it to dry, and it's alcohol free, so it's not going to dry out your face. You can also use it on your eyeshadow brush when you're going to apply like a darker color or a glittery color. You just spray your brush first, and it helps make that shadow stick, especially if it's like a loose powder or kind of a powdery shadow where it doesn't really adhere to your skin very well. The next product is the cleanser I recommend for every single person on the planet. This is the soap-free Total Facial Cleansing Gel. It's super gentle, gets everything off of my skin. I have tested it by running like white pads after using this. It works so well, and it doesn't, when you get out of the shower, you don't feel like tight and dry, like the life has just been sucked out of your skin. It does not dry your skin out, so that's why I love it, and it's for all skin types. A couple other ways, obviously, than washing your face. You can also use it to wash your hands in a pinch. You can, and I have done this, use it to wash your body in a pinch if you are out of body wash or whatever you use. And the last way that I like to use this is to clean my makeup brushes, because like I said, it doesn't strip or it doesn't like dry things out, so it's going to leave your brushes really soft too. The last product that I will share some hacks on today, the Eye Perfection Therapy. This is basically their eye cream. It's more like a gel though, and there's a lot of different ways you can use eye creams, or in this case eye serum. It's kind of like a serum gel type of product. It can obviously be used as an eye cream, and it is really great for that. It hydrates, but it also has ingredients like peptides, vitamins, antioxidants, aloe vera, green tea. It's full of good stuff for your skin, so it's going to leave you bright and smooth and hydrated right there. It's not going to wear, it wears well under makeup. It won't make your makeup cakey or weird. It wears well under eyeshadow, so it can be used as an eyeshadow primer. I just know that putting eyeshadow on dry, cakey, already like crusty skin is just so bad, so using this under to kind of help smooth and give your skin like a good primed surface is really good. And the two other ways that I have here for using an eye cream or this eye gel are for cuticle cream. Again, do not wipe off the excess product. Make sure you rub it into your cuticles always, and you can also use it on your lips if you're in a pinch and don't have your chapstick on hand. Okay, so that is it. I hope you liked this video. I tried to do something a little more fun, and these are ways that I honestly use these products too, so I might as well share. Like I said, have used Skin Resource for years and years, and they are consistently just such a great skincare brand. I love them, and I love all of their products, and I love their price points, because easily dermatologist formulated products like in med spas or whatever can be so expensive. I like drop my jaw sometimes when I see a moisturizer for $150 or whatever it be. I cannot fathom, and I can't justify paying those prices. So I'm happy that they have their prices at a good point. They also are clean. You can look them up on skincharisma.com. You can look up their ingredients on EWG's website, the Skin Deep website. So I love them. I hope you guys try them too. Let me know what you think. They have skincare kits, and like I said, Baobab is buy one get one free this month. They have monthly deals every single month. Also have $30 Thursdays, which are a really good deal, so make sure you follow them on Instagram to see those. But let me know if you have any questions. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thank you so much for all of your support this year. It makes me so grateful for this community and for my job and for what I do. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I hope you guys have a great holiday season. Have a great day. Bye.